Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive an Instagram post. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. When the app is open, you have to go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then you have to select a post you want to archive. I'll just quickly look for a post to archive from my account. Now tap on the post and then tap on the three dots of the post. And here you will see the archive option. Now tap on archive and that post will be archived. Now to unarchive the post, you have to tap on the three bars on top right corner and then tap on archive. And you will see the post here. Now tap on the post and then tap on the three dots of the post and then tap on show on profile. And that is how you can unarchive your post again. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and I'll see you in the next tutorial.